Hello friends, you're watching GATE Helpline, and in this video we will see GATE 2022 how to take a mock test for any GATE paper of last year. Okay, so friends, in this video we'll see how you can take the mock test paper for any GATE paper of last year. So last year was 2021, so we'll see how you can take the mock test of GATE 2021. Okay, so friends, this is being recommended that once you are done with your syllabus and you have completed all the study materials and all, then before going for the final exam, it's recommended that you should come to this website, that is the official GATE website, and give the mock test paper. And that mock test paper is of previous year, and those previous year question papers will be very helpful to you. Okay, so we'll just search GATE 2022, and here is the link of official GATE website, that is GATE 2022 official site, that is from IIT KGP. Okay, so you need to just click here and you will reach the official website. Okay, so on the official website, on the right hand side, you will see the notification pane. I know all of you are familiar from this site. So here they had given, click here to take a mock test for any GATE paper of last year. So just click here. Now here you will see all the links, all the mock links for GATE papers of last year. Okay, so GATE paper and GATE code is given here. So just to see like how it looks like, how the environment is there which they have provided, I'll just show you by clicking on the Computer Science and Information Technology Set 1 question paper. Okay, so the moment we click here, we will be redirected to the next tab. On this next tab, they had given a similar kind of GUI which you will see on the final exam day. Okay, so here you need to provide your username and password which they will give on the exam day, but here they had given a dummy one. So you just need to click sign in. Once you click sign in, you will be redirected to this website. Okay, in this website you will be given the instructions, so read the following instructions carefully. So friends, you can go through all the instructions ahead of the exam only. Okay, on the next, and then here again they had given all the instructions, like how many questions will be there, how many questions will be comprising of how many marks. Okay, so how many questions will be numerical type, how many questions will be of MCQ. Okay, so all the information you will see here, and on this right hand side there will be your photo. Okay, so you need to verify that the photo is yours which you have uploaded at the time when you have submitted the form. Okay, then at the end you need to put the confirmation that you had read all the information here, and then I am ready to begin. So once you click here, the exam will start. On the exam day, you will be allowed to click on this I am ready to begin at the time when the clock ticks, the exact time when you need to start the exam. Okay, now in this page you will be given the time left here, so the timer is there. Okay, it will be showing you like how many minutes are left. On the top there is a button for calculator. Okay, so all the calculations which you want to do for your GATE exam, you can simply click on the calculator and the calculator will come on the screen. So you can check, like you can do all your calculations there. And this is the main section. In this main section, you will, if you click on this tab, that is the general aptitude, you will see all the general aptitude questions. And if you click on this tab, so as I had selected the computer science question paper, I am seeing all the computer science questions. Okay, so if you are selecting some other mock test like for electrical engineering, that then here you will see the specific subject related questions here. Okay, so you can see if I select this one and if I do save and next, then on the right hand side the tab which is showing the number of questions, see, as I had clicked general aptitude, I am seeing 10 questions, as general aptitude comprises of 10 questions only. If I go to the subject wise questions, I will see all the remaining 55 questions. Okay, yeah, so 55 is the last question. So if again I go to general aptitude, as I had selected the answer 1, something I had selected and I did save and next, then this one becomes green, because green is for answered, means this question I had already answered. If I don't answer any question and I just leave it, see, I just leave it, then question 2 will become red. That means it is not answered. Okay, and there is a purple color that is marked for review. Okay, so if I select, if I do answer for this question and if I mark it for review and I do next, then it will become purple. Okay, and the color on the bottom of it is green, because I had marked it purple, but I had given the answer as well. I had marked the answer as well, but I don't know whether the answer is correct or not, or I just want to give it a second thought. So that's why I had marked it as review. Okay, so friends, in this video we have tried to given you a fair idea like how the exam will be, and this is the mock screen which GATE 2022 has given. Okay, so I'll just request that all of you just come to this website. Okay, log in and try to give the answers to this last year question paper. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching our video and see you in the next video.